is this possible or even legal? These are some of the questions surrounding this issue. Governor Gavin Newsom not too long ago announced the California minimum wage would be going up to $20 an hour for fast food workers starting on April 1st. But now we're learning that some companies, as you mentioned, will be exempt from this, which brings us to Panera Bread. Because of the franchise, they bake bread at their restaurants. They are not considered fast food according to this new minimum wage law. The law states that restaurants which bake their own bread and also sell it as a standalone item do not fall into the category of fast food, even though some customers consider them to be so. There is now an investigation into this loophole, especially in light of some financial contributions made by Panera Bread franchise owner Greg Flynn, who reportedly donated more than $150,000 to Newsom's campaign. And this is according to Bloomberg News. Flynn is from the Bay Area and is considered the largest franchisee in the country, with thousands of brands, including Applebee's, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and 24 Panera Bread locations. He was recently quoted saying that this increase would, quote, all but kill the franchise business model. Flynn and Newsom supposedly went to high school together and may share some business dealings. Pasadena Assemblymember Chris Holden, who authored the bill, denies any conflict of interest.
We've got a complete ethical problem going on here, where a billionaire business owner has put in a special exemption into a bill, and we don't even know how it got in there in the first place.
We have a fast food council that allows for anyone to say, hey, you know what, why don't I get credit for benefits? I pay for college scholarships. Shouldn't I get credit for that? That's for the council to work on.
And this is a statement from Newsom's office saying this legislation was the result of countless hours of negotiations with dozens of stakeholders over 2 years. Staff in the governor's office met with dozens of business owners as well as union representatives, and which is expected when policies of this consequence are moving through the legislature. Now, as far as other restaurants go, most fast food chains will not be able to claim this exemption. Chipotle, for example, is considering a price increase to offset the extra cost. We'll send it back to you.